traditional financial analysis struggled with market complexity. Wavelets offered a powerful lens, decomposing signals for trend insights. Yet, these techniques face limits confronting true dynamism in global finance. Their framework overlooks critical, underlying forces. We need a perspective beyond mere signal processing to grasp financial markets, embracing information flow dynamics. Wavelets excel at multi-resolution analysis, but struggle with non-stationary, high-dimensional financial data. They analyze past price movements, inferring patterns. This backward-looking approach fails to account for forward-driving information. Financial systems are adaptive, absorbing new data. Wavelets show what and when, but often miss why or emergent properties from information shocks. A conceptual leap is essential. To grasp financial mechanics, we transcend signal processing, embracing information theory. This field quantifies uncertainty, measures message content, and tracks data flow. In finance, markets are dynamic information processors. Concepts like entropy and mutual information dissect fundamental drivers, moving beyond correlations to uncover informational underpinnings of price formation and stability. This paradigm shift offers deeper insights. Information inflow is the constant stream of new, relevant data entering the financial system. It extends beyond economic reports to include geopolitical events, technological breakthroughs, corporate announcements, and social media sentiment. This aggregate of stimuli influences market perceptions. It updates our understanding of asset values, shaping expectations, and driving trading, fueling price discovery. Sources of information inflow are diverse. Official economic releases, central bank statements, and corporate earnings are foundational. Less formal channels like news sentiment, social media, and high-frequency data are increasingly significant. These pathways ensure information diffuses through financial networks at varying speeds. The pace and breadth directly impact market efficiency and how quickly new information integrates, creating opportunities and challenges. Continuous absorption of new information is fundamental to market efficiency. Efficient markets rapidly incorporate public information into asset prices, preventing consistent abnormal returns. Information inflow drives this, fueling arbitrage and prompting re-evaluation of valuations. Without this refresh, markets stagnate. However, rate and quality of inflow dictate stability. Sudden bursts can heighten volatility or trigger irrational reactions. Opposite information inflow, entropy leakage describes the dissipation or degradation of valuable information within the financial system. It's the inevitable loss of predictive power or clarity over time, due to noise, misinterpretation, or natural decay. A perfect signal becomes distorted, less coherent, its informational content diminishes. This leakage doesn't mean information vanishes, but utility for accurate forecasting erodes. It contributes to inherent uncertainty. Several mechanisms contribute to entropy leakage. Transaction costs and market frictions obscure true asset values, adding noise. Asymmetries in information access create advantages, but also mean information isn't perfectly disseminated, leading to leakage. Behavioral biases, irrational decisions, and herd mentality distort information processing, causing mispricing. Systemic noise, randomness, and irrelevant data also dilute signal-to-noise ratio, accelerating insight decay. The interplay of information inflow and entropy leakage profoundly shapes market stability and risk. Excessive entropy leakage increases market opacity, hindering accurate risk and value assessment. This manifests as heightened volatility, liquidity crises, or systemic instability. When valuable information degrades or is misinterpreted, rational decision-making suffers, paving the way for bubbles or crashes. Quantifying this leakage is crucial for resilient financial systems, identifying vulnerabilities impacting risk. Management. Financial systems exist in a dynamic balance between information inflow and entropy leakage. Inflow injects new order, pushing markets towards new equilibria, while leakage constantly erodes this order, increasing uncertainty. This continuous tension gives financial markets their complex, adaptive, often chaotic nature. The balance is rarely static, High inflow periods lead to rapid adjustments, while leakage-dominated times result in confusion and mispricing. This dynamic interaction allows deeper comprehension. To move beyond qualitative descriptions, quantitative methods are essential. Shannon entropy, Hx equals minus sum I equals 1 to the power of np, xi, log 2p, xi, measures uncertainty or informational content. Mutual information Ix, y equals sum y and y sum x and xp, x, y, log 2 left, frac p, x, y p x p y, right, quantifies information gained about one variable by observing another. These tools model information flow and decay, providing metrics for market efficiency and systemic risk. Integrating these concepts presents a promising avenue. Understanding how information inflow and entropy leakage shape financial systems offers a profound new perspective, surpassing wavelet analysis limits. It frames market dynamics as an intricate dance of information creation, diffusion, and decay. For investors, it highlights ephemeral informational advantage. For regulators, it underscores transparent dissemination and mitigating leakage sources. This holistic view, integrating information theory, promises deeper insights, fostering robust models, and ultimately, more resilient ecosystems.